Hi, welcome back to the Busy Corner. Today I'm going to start a series, and the series is reversible knit stitches that make cute afghans and scarves. And this is going to be the first one we do. It's checkerboard stitch, and I will be knitting this in the next video. But in order to make it, if you've bought a rod stand from me, you need longer pipes. So the pipes you have currently are probably 12 inches long, and I knit this. The finished size is 40 inches across, so you need pipes that are at least 30 inches long. And you can go to the plumbing department if you want at Lowe's. I suppose Home Depot has it too. $1.68 buy a 5-foot piece of Schedule 40. It'll be the thick walled. It'll say right on there, 1/2 inch Schedule 40 pipe. And ask the man in the department or the woman to cut it in half for you if you don't have one of these ratchety things. Then you can get it home easily. If you want to make your pipes longer, if you want your throw to be wider, you'll need a 10-foot piece of pipe. And they're not so eager to cut up a whole bunch of it for you, make a lot of cuts. But like I say, they'll have one of these nearby. Now, I don't take my writing off anymore. I was using nail polish remover for that, and I made myself really sick one day. So what I suggest you do is go over to the paint department. If you don't have any of these already, I love these sanding sponges. Get a fine or one that's fine medium. It'll be like in a little cardboard thing like this. Or in a pinch, you can use scuff pads, but make sure they're fine enough, like a 000. And just take your pipe and put it in the sink, and as you wash it, use your sanding sponge or your scuff pad and get off the little burrs and get off the writing as much as you want. Sometimes there is so much ink on here that you can literally feel it, and you'll want to take that off just so it's smoother. Now, you don't want to be so rough though you scratch your pipe. If you're making the 1/2 inch pipe, make sure you buy 2 of these. They are called 90-degree slip elbows, and they're smooth on both ends. And that will fit right on your 1/2 inch pipe, and you don't even need glue. Just twist it on. And if you want to take it off, twist it off. In a pinch, these could do for some extra front legs for if you turn them sideways. So for balance, if you want to make real long pipes and you don't want to weight down the back end. If you want yours tighter than mine, this was done with 6 strands of Caron 1 Pound Yarn. And you can see that it's still fairly loose. Don't make these for little children or babies with these loose stitches. But I like it this way. If you want it tighter, you can add more yarn, or you can use smaller diameter pipe. And I would suggest getting I don't know if you can read that on there. This is over where the hot water pipe is. It's beige in color. It's called 1/2 inch Ultra Pure, and it's meant for hot water. And then buy the same joint, the slip joint elbow, but you'll have to wrap tape around there and use hot melt glue like I showed in a previous video. This one is 36 inches long. That'll cover most about anything you ever want to knit. But you'll need more table. I like to push one little table up against my other one because you want to support the weight of the knitting. And once you have your equipment and your rods, this one, if you make it out of the 1/2 inch, you won't need glue or anything. And then you'll be ready to knit the next lesson, checkerboard pattern Afghan. Thanks for watching.